Hey guys, Eric with Verus Engineering here. We're going to be doing an ND sound tube delete install. Really quick, really easy, and a very great mod for any ND. It's more robust, it's built aluminum, it's not going to crack like plastic, and it gets rid of that sound tube, which sounds really weird when you get on it. Our sound tube delete works on both club sports and non-club sports. This is a non-club sport install. It only has one nipple on the intake PCV junction right here. If it was a club sport, it would have a second nipple, which is basically aimed this way, and a sound tube that goes into the firewall here. Assuming that you have a sound tube, the sound tube comes off pretty easy, a few tens, I believe, and a rubber grommet here, and then you pull it out of the cabin, and then you can discard that. Because he does not have that, we'll start getting right into it. Grabbing your pair of pliers, we're gonna get this piece loose from the intake. Then basically this just pulls up. And then with this free, you can probably try and twist this hose, and you try not to break it at this point. Because this is when we broke it on our shop cars, is removing this rubber hose from this plastic. It's just not very strong, and it grips it really well. There you go. I should point out that there are two little nubs here, and while we installed it with the nubs still on, you can take a pair of side cuts and just shave those down flush so that it looks a little better. But for this install, we're just going to leave it on. Basically push it down, put your hose on, and then we'll get the clamp on. That's how easy the install is for the sound tube delete. We include a small plastic cover that is designed to cover the firewall hole, and basically that installs very easily by just grabbing it and just snapping it into place. That simple. Alright, so sometimes this piece is a little loose, or we've heard customers say it's a little loose. It's really simple. Basically just grab these ears, spread them out a little bit, and then reinstall it, and it'll be tight. So now it's a little actually hard to get in. There it is. She's not coming out. That finalizes our ND sound tube delete install. If you have any questions, feel free to send them to sales@verus-engineering.com. Let us know if you have any questions. Feel free to comment. See you next time. Thanks.